Here's a quick tutorial on how to use Screencastify. So I've installed Screencastify in my Chrome browser. So I click on the Screencastify icon that shows up in the top right hand corner. And it's going to ask me to click browser, desktop, or webcam. Depending on what you're using your video for, a lot of times if you're using this for band or for PE, you'll want to do webcam only. If you're using it to show your teacher how you did something on a desktop, you would choose desktop. I'm going to click webcam. I want to make sure that my microphone is turned on, and I also know that my microphone is working because this little button is jumping up from red to green, or from green to red. And then I can also pick my camera to make sure that my camera is working. So then I click record, and it will take me to my screen. Hi, everyone. So I'm recording myself. I know that it's recording because it's counting up at the bottom. And then when I'm done, I click on stop. So once I click stop, it will start processing that recording and open up a new tab for me. Now it is always set up as mute so that it's not playing in your background. It also is always set up with the date that you recorded. So I'm always going to rename my recording. And then I'm going to click on copy shareable link. That means that all of my things are going to my Google Drive. The one thing I do want to do is make sure that you click on more options. This makes sure that your teacher does have access to your video. So rather than private, you're going to make sure that this is clicked either unlisted or public at SD129 or public. Remember, anything that you put on the internet is you want to make sure that you're not putting anything that you wouldn't want published all over the internet. So being unlisted is really safe. That just means that anybody with the link has access to it. And the only person that has the link would be your teacher. So now that I copy that shareable link, it's there. If I want to insert it into a Google slide or a Google Doc that I'm turning into my teacher, I can go into my doc. I'm actually going to delete this because this is something I did earlier. And I can go into insert, and I can go into video, and it will be in my folder. It typically is one of the first ones because it's the last thing that you just recorded, or you can go to recent. So here's my webcam recording. I hit select, and it pops that video into my recording. If you're doing this in Google Slides, you also get this playback option where you can start and end at a specific place, and it can also mute the audio or autoplay when they start presenting this slide. If you've got any questions, reach out to your teachers. Have a great day, everyone.